Bitcoin is creating a massive W pattern, and in this exact video I will talk about my price targets. I will talk about what is the criteria for a breakout of this pattern and about many more important stuff, because Bitcoin is literally breaking above this critical downtrend. I'm gonna talk about the important stuff that's currently going on in terms of the news events and many more important stuff. So without any further ado, don't forget to slap up the like button and let me jump straight away in towards the content of this video. So once looking at Bitcoin on the imminent short term, ever since I uploaded the video yesterday, Bitcoin have seen an even higher high getting created, and currently we look to be creating another consolidation phase. And to be very honest, it could be that we're creating somewhat of a symmetrical triangle again. However, today it is Saturday, and due to that we're creating a CME gap, and of course it's weekend. So if I'm looking at the CME close price, it's sitting around 29.7k. Currently Bitcoin is sitting on 29.6k. The CME gap is on this high right here. So what am I expecting? I expect that Bitcoin is going to be remaining to trade somewhere around this white line over the course of this weekend. And if we're really going to be trading below it significantly, I will be expecting a big pump on Monday. And if we're really going to be pumping above it over the course of the weekend, I'm really going to be expecting a dump on the Monday. So that is basically what I'm expecting. It's not all that difficult because the weekends for Bitcoin are usually a little bit more relaxed. So the Friday close was absolutely amazing, and yesterday I already talked about it. I personally think that Bitcoin will probably continue to pump. Why? Is because finally, after months and months, BlackRock is finally actively working with the SEC to finish the ETF filing. This represents a significant development. Why? Is because first, the SEC was just not replying to any of these issuers, and now they are working together to complete the filings. Essentially, a Bitcoin spot ETF is currently getting priced in towards the market, and yes, probably if it gets accepted, Bitcoin is still going to be moving upwards. But currently what we can see here is that just the odds of a spot ETF are getting higher, and due to that, people are getting more excited, and people already saw what fake news could do. So that is literally the reason why Bitcoin is right now moving towards the upside. Well, in fact, the classic stock market is moving down. So Bitcoin is doing an absolutely amazing job here. Be aware, and this is the second wave, and usually you have 2 or 3 waves in these private movements. So I personally think there could be potentially another wave towards the upside before potentially seeing a bigger retracement, before then of course creating a different price structure. But I remain to be expecting that over the course of the weekend, probably Bitcoin is not going to create a lot of volatility. So looking at the 4-hourly time frame, you can see we exactly bounced from off that support level. I mean, honestly, if you're looking at the 12-hour time frame, this is clearly the resistance to break here. This is the range high on the daily time frame that exactly got us rejected right here, and as well twice before. So Bitcoin is currently running in towards resistance, and you can clearly see it over here. I mean, honestly, we broke in towards the top side of the range right now here, but we just need to be breaking above the 29.9k level. And as soon as we do break above that level, then I will be super excited, and then I would call it a confirmation of a breaking towards the higher side of the higher range, what would confirm potentially in Bitcoin heading towards $31,000, what I already think is going to be inevitable. And honestly, if you're really zooming out on Bitcoin, we're also literally breaking right now this massive downtrend that we have been creating. In terms of days, it's a 688-day downtrend. What is a massive downtrend. So if anyone wants to be trading the retest of it, or if anyone wants to be trading Bitcoin at all, swing trading, day trading, whatever, make sure to go to BYBIT in the link description of today's video, because if you right now sign up an account using that link below, guys, you know it, you can right now claim a free $1,000 airdrop position. And all you need to do here is sign up a new account using the link below, deposit $100 in the coming 7 days, and you can claim this insane position that is only valid for another 10 days from now on. So looking a little bit more closely towards the liquidations on the liquidation heat map here on CoinGlass, we can currently really see here is that on the lower side there are some liquidations laying, but not so much here. But actually the majority of the liquidations are laying on top of us, and the majority of these liquidations are sitting around 30.2k to 30.3k. So if Bitcoin really moves up here, I think it's at least going to be moving up to 30.3k. We're going to get a small little short squeeze. Potentially Bitcoin goes up to 30.5k, and then potentially we could start to see some resistance getting found for Bitcoin. And I mean, if you're really looking at the charts for that, it does also make sense here. 30.5k is also this previous high here where we got rejected from approximately three times in a row. So 30.5 to 30.7 could be the next resistance. But honestly, if Bitcoin really is going to be moving up here, well, probably I am expecting it will will already see a massive short liquidation. I mean, at the same time, on the weekly time frame, Bitcoin is creating a W pattern. This is an insane reversal pattern. And if Bitcoin manages to be breaking above 31,000 US dollars on the top side on the weekly time frame, we are confirming the W breakout. And this W pattern has got a price target somewhere around 40,000 US dollars to 38,000 US dollars. So let me say this correctly. The price target of this breakout right here is around 38,000 US dollars, what is a massive price target in my opinion. And yeah, if Bitcoin really is going to be breaking above this resistance right here, we're not only purely breaking above this level right here, but you could extend this level. You can clearly see this was the level previously around, provided massive support here in resistance and here once again, and we're right now creating that potential W pattern. So this is a beautiful reversal structure that Bitcoin is right now creating, and this could be a massive opportunity if we do break above it. Of course, on the weekly time frame as well, guys, 98-week downtrend, we're about to be breaking it. We're about to confirm it in 1 day and 18 hours. Probably is going to get confirmed, but this is definitely a massive breakout where we should be paying attention towards. Of course, I do understand, yes, we're breaking outside of this level, and still the main resistance to be breaking is this horizontal level right here. So yeah, I'm going to be paying close attention towards this level. If we confirm the breakup of $32,000 to 31,000 US dollars on that weekly time frame, we could be also in for a massive treat. So guys, this was it for me in today's update video. Thank you so much for watching. Slap up that like button and see you guys on the next one. Peace out. Goodbye.